we got some guests and we're headed out.
Woo! Right here, we got my brother from another mother. Known this man since we were about yay high. This is Cody, and this is Cody's beautiful girlfriend here, Miss Carly.
Yes, hi.
And we're going to Colorado.
Yep.
They've never been before. We haven't been to too many of the places that we are going to, so it's going to be a first.
An adventure.
Yep.
Everybody meet Fernie. How could I forget Fernie? Dirty Fernie.
Hi, I'm Don.
I'm Neiman.
Hi,
Nice to
nice
meet
meeting
you.
you.
And then Lauren.
Lauren,
Yep.
nice meeting you.
You too. There it is.
We got it. It was a bad state.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got brand new tires on it, brand new battery. Tires have less than 1,000 miles.
Yeah, this will be our first one of
Really pretty new
investment
with it.
like this.
It's better to start up cheap,
Yeah.
inexpensive, and learn. The motor, it's only got 70,000.
Yeah, that's
the motor
huge.
is good.
Thanks again for being so kind and so informative and helpful.
So, are we going to take this, you and I?
You want to? Yeah, Fernie!
Here, overdrive.
Yes. This is going to be our first time in the RV, and we've already had one issue happen, so let the dirty begin.
I don't know if it's an issue. It's not an issue, just something that we can't figure out yet.
The water is, she tried to fill up the tank a little bit. Challenge. Obstacle. Yes.
There.
Laura tried to fill up the tank, and it just filled up and went out the bottom end. So
It's not a leak. It's supposed to come out that way, but I think we're supposed to have a plug, but just got to find the plug, so.
Hey, we might be like tampon in that.
Let's hit the road.
Let's do it! Woo!
I think it's been about 2 hours of driving so far, and we're down about a half a tank, so not too bad there, but we all had to go to the bathroom anyway, so we just decided to stop. We couldn't figure out how to plug the water tank, that's why we can't use the bathroom on there, even on the road, but we're gonna get that figured out.
105 miles out. Be there before we know it.
Done.
You gotta blow the smoke off. Looked like a fly to me. It is 1 a.m. We are about 3.5 hours away from our campground. We just made it to BFE, not sure where gas is $3.39. Pretty expensive comparatively to Nebraska, where we're getting it for about like $2.89. Even in some places $2.70s. But Fernie, she's doing an amazing job, and I am so proud of her, and I am so grateful to have her. So shout out to Dawn again for just blessing us and giving this opportunity to have such an amazing first-time camper. I am super blue right now. I kind of look like I'm turning into the Hulk. Fernie does get quite thirsty. We're at about half a tank right now, and yeah, there she just popped. So another hundo. Totally okay, and just totally having a good time. So gonna finish out this last stretch on this tank, and we should be there in a few hours. Get some sleep, wake up early, and have ourselves a heck of a day. It is 5:27 a.m. Let the Colorado trip begin.
Good morning. It's like 10 o'clock.
Feels like 6.
I think Neiman updated you last night, but we made it here around like 6 a.m., 5 a.m., something like that, and then just crashed. So we're ready for our day of hiking in the Great Sand Dunes. So we're gonna get breakfast going, showers taken, and head up there.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Break.
We're at the Great Sand Dunes National Park. This, I believe, is number 19 or 20 for Neiman and I. So, marking another one off the list, and this is just so beautiful this time of year.
We're back from the sand dunes, and we're putting together the grill.
Lauren is back there chefing up.
Carly's
supervising. Carly's making sure we don't burn the damn thing down. And
I'm holding some legs.
And holding some legs. Me and Code and the girls got the new grill up and operating. Look at that. Threw some water in her. She's heating up.
It's about time for some brats, some burgers. Looking forward to it.
Handmade from yours truly. Well, just the burgers. Piggies, we didn't have any.
Yours truly, me. Right? I made the burgers. What are you doing?
Don't forget your wool socks.
Yeah. Day 1, actually, like full day 1. No, I guess it's day 2, right?
Technically.
Yeah. Day 2. Great day.
Dude, I had an amazing day.
Morning. I think that's like a legit thorn.
Damn.
Oh,
She
I
thick.
think it was in my heel.
It might be better than a shot of espresso.
Yeah, damn. I'm awake now.
All right, long day ahead of us.
But good day.
Yes. Let's get started with some breakfast.
Breakfast.
Looks so bomb.
Chef Lauren, back at it again.
Good start to a good day.
Killed it.
Amazing.
We had a little action. I had to pull Fernie over to the side. Fridge decided it's had enough of the bumpiness.
Whew.
But unscathed.
This is good to go, right?
Yeah.
Is there room?
You got good grip on your shoes. I want you to know that.
Still not balanced though. Good balance.
So in the San Crista mountain range,
Something like that.
and just checked out the Zapata Falls. Cody, what was your overall experience with Zapata Falls?
Absolutely beautiful. The work to reward is unmatched. Probably about a mile round trip. You see a beautiful waterfall, great view, see the sand dunes off in the distance. I give it a 9.5.
Same question.
It was a great hike. Yeah, the colors right now, honestly, the yellows popping against the greens and the browns and the grays, beautiful. The waterfall, super cool. Go a little bit farther, boom, the whole thing, beautiful. No rating. I don't rate things.
I agree. I think in about a week, the leaves are all going to be off the ground, or like on the ground. So I think it was amazing to see the yellow leaves. It was a little out of my comfort zone. I'm not quite the hiker, but I'm proud that I did it. I think that was a big step for me, and it was a beautiful reward, definitely.
Across the river.
Yeah,
9.5 is a very accurate rating.
Compared to
Yeah.
cross a few streams.
Yeah.
Get a
Over
little
some
wet.
shaky rocks. You might get a foot wet, but it's
Yeah.
all right.
It's
all part of the
definitely worth it.
experience.
Neiman, you're up.
It's as simple as they've already said everything. I don't want to reiterate, so I'm going to save my breath. 9.5. I would come back multiple times.
Absolutely, yeah.
I drink the water too, so we'll see.
Rate the water.
The water? Oh, 10 out of 10. You don't find, they don't purify or distill water like that.
Yeah.
So 10 out of 10 on the water, but that is to be determined because we'll have to see how it sits and everything. I might end up getting diarrhea or.
Didn't drink that much, so I don't
Yeah.
think you'll
Just a
be
few
alright.
handfuls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably like just above freezing point. Like it was so cold.
that was
Yeah.
I didn't even touch it.
It
I
was,
couldn't get myself to drink it. I definitely touched it.
yeah, it was as clear as it could get. So I'm like, oh, there can't be too much bacteria from it being not touched by humans where we were. So
Yeah. Beautiful.
come here, visit.
Great. All right, we out.